Hi, and welcome to Wig Studio 1. I'm Eileen, the Crazy Wig Lady. Today we're going to look at Ellen Wille Dot, and it is in the color Silver Gray Mix 5660. I'm wearing my Ellen Wille Run Mono in Stone Gray Mix, so I wanted to compare these two grays. So I wanted to wear Stone Gray Mix, and we'll compare Silver Gray Mix as we unbox this new wig. Before we get started, I want to remind you, please join us on our private Facebook group, Wig Studio 1 Wig and Topper Support Group. I think there's over 10,000 ladies in that group now. So join us over there. We have live wig sales on Sundays, all kinds of great pictures of women in wigs. You name it, we've got it over there. Wig Studio 1 Wig and Topper Support Group. Also, be sure to go to Wig Studio 1 for these wigs, lots of others. You can see discounts about the wigs at wigstudio1.com. Okay, let's look. Ellen Wille Dot. Alright, Ellen Wille Dot is, like I said, part of their Elements collection. It comes just like this. Let's see. Packaged. Okay, no hairnet. Just let you look at it like that. Okay, short, pixie style. Basic top. Felt ear tabs, open wefted, extended nape. There's no lace front. There is a little mono, little bitty place right here, mono, right in the crown. Give you that look like the hair's coming right out of your head. And there's a good bit of stretch in this wig. A good bit. Okay, and it has Velcro adjusters. All right, let's have a look at this. Okay, this is Silver Gray Mix, 5660. All right, let's just compare it. This one, much more salt and pepper for sure. This is much more white. Yes, very pretty. That 60, of course, is pure white, and then the 56, just a tad of a darker gray running through here, making it not just stark white, so it gives it that little variation there. It's pretty, but it is different. Just want to make sure you get a good look at the differences here. Differences in the Stone Gray Mix and Silver Gray Mix. Okay, I'm going to slip this on and let's talk about some styling options. Okay, so let's have a look. Ellen Wille Dot. Okay, cute pixie. You know, it's hot down here right now, and I love a pixie cut. I'm going to take some water. I'm going to spray it all through it. You've seen me do it a million times. Now, like I said, this does not have a lace front. Don't think I need a lace front because it has this cute fringe that you can bring down around the front. Now, as you can see, I'm not doing anything but finger styling this wig. I'm not going to put a comb in it. I'm not going to put a wide tooth comb through it. I'm going to, because I want to wear it kind of spiky and fun. This color is really pretty. I like it. All right, let's look at the back. Short nape. So the front of this is 2.5. I like that. It gives you a little bang here to work with. You can pull this back, kind of get it up off your face like that, and then just leave a little there covering that hairline, just like that. It's soft. It's very feminine, this wig. It's got these soft layers. I think it's a very classic look. If you're looking for an easy to wear pixie, I don't think you could get any better than this. Okay, so Silver Gray Mix. Let's go outside and look at this color. Okay, I was talking about this fringe. Like I said, that's 2.5. The crown on this is 2.5 as well. The sides are short 1.5, and that nape is 1.5. It only weighs 2 ounces. The color silver gray mix. This is just a really beautiful color combination. I don't see really any blonde in this wig or really brown tones in this wig. This is grays and whites, in my opinion. Very, very pretty. Okay, how could you style it? Well, of course, you know me, I'm going to put a headband on with it. That's just what I do. You can easily wear it with a headband. And even though I don't have a lace front, I would still put just a clip in it for fun. If I wanted to change it up just a little bit, you can easily do that. Glasses, of course, I have to wear glasses with my wigs. Yep. And I've said many times, I'll say it again, I don't run my glasses under my ear tabs. I just go right over them. Fits perfect, doesn't bother me at all. Now, if you wanted to use some holding spray on this, you could as well, or some peace out cream. I'm just going to do some holding spray in my hand. Rub my hands together in just the same way I would do some peace out cream. And I want to pull it up and off the cap. I want those fibers not to lay flat on this cap in any way. But there's a good bit of hair on here. That's nice. And I just think you could do a lot of, just really spike this up and make it fun with this beautiful gray shade. And you know, everybody is wearing gray and silver these days. Everybody, girls of all ages are wearing silver. It's having a moment. Okay, really nice. Ellen Wille Dot. It has a nice price point. I think it's around $155. So it's a really nice price point on this wig. You could pull it all the way back behind your ears if you would like. I think you could even sleek this down and get more of a boy look if that's what you were going for. You easily could do that. And with this bang, you could do that. Make it very sleek. Pull it back and pin it just like that if you'd like. Give it a boy look. But I tend to just see how spiky can I get it. And this one is easy to work with. The fibers, of course, if you're familiar with Ellen Wille, you know the fibers are beautiful on her wigs. Don't forget to go to wigstudio1.com to see discounting information on these wigs. All the wigs at Wig Studio One, be sure to check those out. And our Facebook group, Wig Studio One Wiggin Topper Support Group. And we're also on Instagram. We post on every day on Instagram. So check us out there at Wig Studio One. Thank you so much. I appreciate you joining me today, and I'll see you next time.